gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, the MMA Guru here, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, why does Moss from the MMA-holes, why does Moss cry when he watches movies, ladies and gentlemen? Moss from the MMA-holes, he cries when he watches movies, ladies and gentlemen. He's got his wife by his side. She's not crying. Moss is crying. They were watching Pinocchio, ladies and gentlemen, and Moss is crying, ladies and gentlemen. The MMA Guru doesn't cry when he watches movies, ladies and gentlemen. That's why I'm the greatest YouTuber. The MMA Guru is the greatest YouTuber, ladies and gentlemen, because I don't cry when we watch movies, ladies and gentlemen. Me and my boyfriend, Robert Whitaker, we watch movies. Now, we don't cry, ladies and gentlemen. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Robert Whitaker, my favorite fighter in the UFC, ladies and gentlemen. Also happens to have the biggest penis in the UFC, ladies and gentlemen. That's right. Ladies and gentlemen, the big, yeah, the big fat MMA Guru here, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, does this mask make my face look fat, ladies and gentlemen? Does it? Does this mask make my face look fat, ladies and gentlemen? See? Does it? That's right, ladies and gentlemen.